Hello. Today we are talking all about Ipsy spoilers. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming on back. If you are new here, hello. My name is Staci and I love all things beauty on this channel, from skincare to fashion. So let me take off my glasses so I can see better and we don't get the glare. And let's pull up the base bag spoilers. Now, the base bag is $13 a month and you do get 5 deluxe samples. Although once in a while we have gotten full-size items in there. Just sometimes it happens. So first up we have a Tarte item. This is Awake by Tarte Lip Therapy Mask in Peach. Ooh, I bet that smells good. I will have up on the screen the retail for the full size of these items. Tarte is cruelty-free, but their parent company is not. Okay, so I would be happy to try that. Can always use some lip scrubs, lip masks, that kind of thing. Next we have a Staci. If you're new here, I'm terrible at pronunciation. Sorry, but I am. But Beauty Ready to Bounce Cream Blush in Vacation. That looks really pretty. And Ready to Bounce Cream Blush. I like cream blushes. I'd be happy to try that. I really like Bare Minerals cream blush and Milani and Tower 28. But yeah, that looks like a very pretty, great for summer. Next we have Briogeo Hair Care Superfood Avocado Plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. And I really like their products. I will double check, but I'm almost positive, unless they've changed it, their products, they always were made in the US before, but I'm not sure if they still are. They should be cruelty-free. Yeah, so I like that. Just FYI, I gotta plug a video. If you're interested between the differences between a deep conditioner and a hair mask, I will have that video listed in the cards up above and down below. Okay, yes, I would be happy to get this one, and I have gotten quite a few things from First Aid Beauty in my bag, so maybe. This is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Okay, I really like products with niacinamide in it. I don't know if, I'll have to look. I don't know if I've used an eye cream with niacinamide. Probably, but okay. Moving right on, we have another hair item. This is R&Co Cool Win pH Perfect Air Dry Cream. Okay, I have not tried that one. I have tried some other products. Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. That's a mouthful. Now, their items are cruelty-free and made in the US, and I'm pretty sure that was one of the gift with purchases, a mini sample of that that I just placed with Ulta. Okay, so that's what we have so far for the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is $28 a month and you get 5 full-size items. So first up we have a Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Interesting. I've never tried that. Actually, I think, well, I've gotten one thing from Saturday Skin. Number 2 is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I don't think I've tried the cleanser. I definitely have tried the cream, and I thought it was okay. Number 3 is, Dr. Brandt Skincare Antioxidant Spray Toner. Now, I never tried a spray toner up until a couple years ago now, I think it has been. So yeah, I'd be interested to try that. The Kate Somerville, I would be okay if I didn't get that one, but I would like to try this one. This is from Mally Beauty, Ever Color Shadow Stick in Rosy Taupe. Wow, I have not heard Mally Beauty. I feel like I hadn't heard it for a really long time, and then it kind of seems like it's making a comeback almost. So okay, I'd like to try that. I have quite a few different cream pencils so it would be cool to compare what hers is like. Okay, I just looked it up. I bet this is why we're hearing about it, because I thought that it had gone away, but so it's been acquired. AS Beauty acquired Mally Beauty March 10th of 2021 is when it was announced. We have a face and an eye palette, and I've never heard of this brand. How do you say it? Let me know. But okay, that looks pretty. I always like palettes, even though I don't need any more. But this one I feel like I would take or leave. Okay, this one is going to be a good price tag. I can tell that. I don't know about good. It's going to be an expensive price tag. This is the Rhode Soft Focus Glow Drops. So Rhode is expensive. So there we have this just quick video today. There we have the spoilers. This is not the only things. This is not all the spoilers, of course. There is many, many more things that you could get in your bag. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think? And I just wanted to let everyone know, if you've made it this far, that at the beginning of May, I will be doing a giveaway, and the winner will be picked from all the comments that was left on my videos this month. So if you want to go back and watch some videos and leave some comments, any comments that are left the month of April will go into a spreadsheet, and then I will pick a winner from that spreadsheet. So just wanted to make sure you were aware. You do have to be subscribed in public, have to be 18 years or older, and it is open to US and Canada. And I think that we've gotten that in a past. It's R plus. And again, no. There we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this, and that you'll come back and see me. If you want to know what I actually do get in my bag, make sure you are subscribed. You can click my face right here, and that will bring you right to the subscription button. Or if you want to see past on Ipsy unboxings, you can click on any of the videos that are popping up on the screen right now. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here. Thanks. Bye.